Hey, what's going on? Todd here from Amazon Storage Pros, and I just wanted to show you real quick how to change the location that you're sending your Amazon warehousing and distribution, your AWD shipments to, because it seems that not everybody knows how to do this. A lot of times people just let Amazon choose for them, and that a lot of times is not the best option. So if you're in your Amazon and you click on create a shipment, it of course is going to take you to your shipment page where you can select the products that you want to send to Amazon. Right at the top here is where you're going to be selecting your ship to, and by default it goes to Amazon assigned. And if you leave it on Amazon assigned, it could send it to the West Coast, East Coast, Central. It'll choose for you wherever it wants to send it, which may not be the best for you. Now, I am in Tampa, Florida, so obviously I don't want to send stuff over to California. I don't want to send stuff over to Texas. I would prefer to send stuff to the new location in South Carolina, or worst case, up in Pennsylvania. So what I'm going to do is click change ship to. And I will note here, they've got this little exclamation point that small parcel delivery, so UPS is currently not supported for the East Coast, which is going to be the Pennsylvania area location. So that's a good thing to look at and see. If you needed to send to UPS, you're not going to be able to send it there, so you're going to have to send to one of the other locations. So you'd have to choose something that's good for you on that. But if we click the change ship to, you can see we can select whichever one we want. And so I am going to go with distribution centers in South Carolina and submit that. And now when I enter my boxes here on the next screen, it's going to give me shipments to South Carolina. If for some reason you get to the next step and you don't have, UPS shipments available or something like that, if that's what you need to do, you can come back to this previous step, click on change ship to once again, and select another location to get other options. So you can really, play around with this to find which one's going to be the cheapest. If I'm going from Florida, I might check pricing for Southeast plus the East Coast, maybe even South Central Texas, just to see which one is going to be cheapest. Most likely it's going to be the closest to you, but not always. So you'd want to check those prices to see what's going to be best. All right, so that's it for this video. Just wanted to let you know about that. If you didn't already know that you can pick the location you're shipping to, head on over to AmazonStoragePros.com for a free storage cost report to see where you're spending too much in your logistics, and we'd be happy to dive into that for you and give you an action plan on how to improve your operations. So with that, Todd Welch, Amazon Storage Pros, signing off. Happy selling, everybody. And don't forget to like and subscribe.